Hey guys, it's Peyton Albach here with another awesome freaking video. I have some news. I really didn't buy that many fireworks as I usually do. Usually I'll buy like, I don't know, like $400, $600 for it. And this year, or rather 4th of July, I really didn't feel like it. Or like, I did, but 4th of July isn't really that exciting for me. I prefer rather New Year's than really anything, so just, a news, So, oh, definitely, yeah, on New Year's I'll be posting a huge stash, hopefully. I don't know yet. But, let's get started with littlest to biggest. Start off with this. This is a little trigger gun. It's so stupid. I don't know why I got it. I had a pack of whistling chasers. All I do is go pew and they just like pop, but yeah, I pop most of them. I got 6 boxes of firecrackers, 3 are little dynamite, 2 are water crackers, and 1 is bunker buster. Just like a little, like, they just make a little pop. Move on to this. And I got some amount of the 50 packs. These are a little bit, some of them probably last year. 1, 2, because I had like a whole box of like 100, I think, and I didn't pop them all, so that's what I have extra. Just the Thunder Bomb firecrackers. 50 pack each. There's 50 in each. 50 of those little pops. Next we got like regular, just like, smoke balls. Some boring ones. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to do this. Little bang snaps. Little crappy bang snaps. I have 1 Roman candle from last year. Trust me, I have more though. It's a 5 ball, and then I have this whole pack of like these Chinese ones. These are all 5 ball too. Now for the happiness, it's just a little fountain. Just shoots out sparks and stuff. Oh, this, I actually handmade this with some duct tape and a fuse and a ton of gunpowder. Makes really loud noise. I don't remember the name of it. I only remember how to make it. So, if you want to make one, pretty simple. Make it like a little triangle shape with some paper and duct tape and a fuse and tons of gunpowder. Yeah. So, the next one to Saturn missile battery. These are my dad's favorite. But one year we bought like the 500 shot. It was sick and loud. But this is just 25 shot. And I got also 100 shot Saturn missile battery. 100 shots. And then I got gold and silver flower. Oh crap. Gold and silver flower. Gold and silver flower by Hot Burn. It's just a little fountain. Yeah, so. And here's like almost the same thing called Green Willow. Practically the same thing. Shoots out sparks and stuff. Here's a pretty cool one. Not really. 48 shot color pearl. Yeah. Shoots out flaming balls, and then at the end it has like 1 little silver tail stuff. Yeah, so. Watch out. Rose, watch out. Okay, we'll just. Got some punks. Just some small punks and big punks. Keep the party going. And then I got This mammoth smoke, I tore it off. Just 1 minute. They're pretty fun, I guess, to run around. And I will admit it, I do love gold sparklers. Well, it doesn't have to be gold, but I like the middle ones. Those are my favorite. Yeah. And then gold glitter by Hopper. Just another fountain. Just like oh yeah, I also have another one of these. So 7. And where'd it go? Okay. Well, I have one. Oh, I know what it is. Killer bees. That just, again, another fountain, shoots off like little basically little missiles. Yeah. And then I dropped the. Here it is. I got it. Okay. And then I got this one called Tricolor fountain. No, just a fountain, just like gold glitter. Oh man, I forgot to do this. It's again another fountain, large friendship flower fountain. Not very large, but you know, by Hobber. Bros, be quiet. So freaking loud. Oh, my other bottle rockets. Oh, hold on. Let me set that up. Okay, and then I got 5 bottle rockets called Explosion Spear. This one does brocade wavering with red palm pistol. This one double ring with crackling pistol. That should be good. Red and silver ring with crackling pistol. This should be okay. Happy face. I don't believe this happy face. I think it's fake. So I think I've seen a demo of them and they're fake. Like, it doesn't actually make a happy face. Rip off. This one's brocade wavering with green palm pistol. I might get more of the regular Texas bottle rockets. Man, I wish they sold those other ones here. But they don't. So, moving on to the cakes. We got Eagle Talon by Mr.w. These huge shells. Yeah, that's a really good one. I'm happy I got this. Let's see the effect. See if that will. It's not focusing. Well, I'll just read it. Nothing's focusing. Red palm pistol. Red palm with silver strobe. Purple palm with green strobe. All with silver tail. So that should be a pretty cool one with silver tail too. And then we got nuclear attack. 6-piece. There's the fakes. Red peony, green peony, silver peony. Yeah, peony. And moving on to our grand finales. Rolling them to the front. We have. It's so big. Okay. Lights. Ouch. That's. I mainly bought it because of the graphics. And it said this. Fountain and 18 shots. So, I kind of like fountains. Not really, but I like cakes more. And s'mores. So the effects are, this is an item with fountain and aerial effect. Sprays large silver crackling with blue pearls. Then shoots up crackling whistle color tails into the sky and ends 3 shots of huge color break. So very fantastic. This is my 2015 4th of July fireworks stash. Hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like down there and subscribe. If you like this video, tell me what's good about it. Tell me my bads in the comments below. Thanks for watching.